win here in the Basque Country. Congratulations. Really hard one, really hot one, not good for us Scottish, but finally you win. How was the race?
Well, yeah, it was super hard all day. Everyone was attacking from the start. Groups were going, very stressful. But the team today did an amazing job. We were very aggressive. We had riders up there at the front constantly, attacking, riding hard. And yeah, for me, at the moment I have good legs and I want to use them. So I'm very happy with today. The race suited me very well with a lot of climbing. And yeah, with 60 maybe kilometers to go, I attack with one other. And yeah, from then on it was just a battle with my head, just to keep going, to keep pushing. And in the finish, I arrive with one other rider, and I have the better sprint in the end. So yeah, I am super happy with this win, and I am hungry for more.
You are getting good shape now.
Sorry?
You are getting good shape.
Yeah. I mean, hopefully. I look forward to the stage races coming up at the end of the year. So I need to make sure I keep on top of my form and recover well. And yeah, I want more wins now.
Thank you, Sorionak.
It's good to Gasco.